welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Veda, if you don't already know, and if you do know, then groovy. Thanks for coming back, appreciate you. So today we are going to take a look at my Sourpuss collection, which is my all-time favorite brand. I used to have a couple more things, but they're lost treasures now. So yeah, we're going to take a look at that, and I hope y'all enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because it really helps my tiny channel. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. And also, real quick, a lot of these dresses and stuff don't, like this shirt and all, don't exist anymore unless you get lucky and find them off of Poshmark or something like that, or on eBay or something. But these, or some kind of group on Facebook or something, because these prints and stuff they're discontinued basically. So yeah, anyways, continuing. Thank y'all for watching, and don't forget to keep it rockin'. Enjoy. Alright guys, so this is one of the Stray Cats swing dresses. I don't know how my mom got it, but she did, because it has been discontinued for a while. But she got it on some sale around Christmas a couple years ago. And yeah, I love it. This is the pink one, of course. I wore it for my birthday last year. And I usually wear crinoline under it. This is the Wolfman party dress. I wore this for Christmas. I actually wear this a lot. It's definitely one of my favorites. Yeah, my mom got this for me for Christmas 2 years ago, and I love it. This is the Baddie pinstripe dress. My boyfriend got this for me, I think, last year, but I actually got a size too big. But hey, it still got pockets, so. This is the, I'm not really sure what the name is, but it's the zombie head drink romper, and I wear it literally all the time. I'll leave it linked below with a better shot of it in a different video. This is the Betty Page cardigan that came out. I think I was 19 or 20 when my mom bought me this. I'm 29, by the way, and I wear it all the time. It's one of my winter staples. Which is summer right now, and this is actually one of the very first tube tops I ever bought from them, with the first of the Bad Attack print. And of course this is the Monster Tiki Fiesta dress, which I also wear all the time. Y'all have seen in videos, and I absolutely love it. It doesn't have pockets. I don't even care. I love it. And yeah, it also matches the shower curtain I got. This is one of the very first Bad Attack dresses that they came out with in the red. I originally wanted the pink one, but that that was sold out very quickly. But I absolutely love this dress. This is also before they came out with the pockets in their dresses. And this one is a little bit newer. This is the creature dress, the slip dress, bodycon, whatever. Love it. And also that umbrella is Sourpuss as well. It has stitches on it. And this is one of the very first outfits that my mom ever got me. It is with the little drunk elephants on it, and the cardigan has martini glasses, and I like to wear this in the springtime.